Garden or rosarium is a garden or park often open to the public, used to present and grow various types of garden roses or roses spice. Designed very tremendously, and rose may be displayed alongside other plants or grouped by individual variety, color or class in rose beds. At Kolkata Eco Park, Rose Garden space is a long stretch of walk with varieties of rose planted along colorful fountains sprinkling by sculptures to feast the eye and occasional benches to rest a little. Although roses have been selected and grown in China for over 1,000 years, the foreigners of the rose gardens as we know it today was planted by Empress Joseph de at Malmaison, France, in the year between 1799 to 1814. Josephine imported both leading gardening talent and scores of roses, fencing many plant collecting trips. At her death in 1814, the garden includes more than 250 varieties of rose. It is said that her plants hunter also introduced some 200 other plants to France, along them the dahlias. One of the oldest still existing public rose garden at Jules du Val-de-Marne, south of Paris, in which was laid out 1899 and remains the biggest rose garden in France. Public rose gardens are a feature of many towns and cities. Since 1995, the World Foundation of Rose Science Societies grants the award of Grand Excellence. So far, 42 gardens have been selected. Notable gardens around the world include Newtown Eco Park Rose Garden. There are various rose gardens in India. These gardens have thousands of varieties and sub-varieties of roses and are open to the public. Government Rose Garden, formerly Century Rose Garden in Ooty in the state of Tamil Nadu, has a collection of 2,800 cultivators. It was granted the WFRS Award of Garden Excellence in 2006. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden of Chandigarh is the second rose garden in India, and the National Rose Garden Chanakyapuri, Delhi is the third rose garden in India. Newtown Eco Park, that is Prakriti Tirtha, is an urban park in Newtown, Rajarhat, Kolkata, and the biggest park so far in India. The park is situated on a 880 acres plots and is surrounded by a 104 acres water body with an island in the middle. The park was conceptualized by Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, in July 2011. West Bengal Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation is the overreaching body coordinating the construction of the park, along with different other government bodies responsible for implementation of different work inside the park. The park has been divided into three broad parts: ecological zones like wetland, grassland, and urban forest, theme gardens and open spaces, and urban recreational space. Park is further divided into different subparts according to the different type of fauna planted. The copies of the seven wonders of the world have also been made for people to visit in this park. According to the plan, the park will have different areas like wildflower meadows, a bamboo gardens, grassland, tropical trees garden, bonsai gardens, tea garden, cactus walk, a helicus gardens, a butterfly garden, a play area, and an amphitheater. Further, there is plan to develop an resort in public-private partnership and will also include an area where handicrafts from different parts of the state will be exhibited. The park was inaugurated on 29th December 2012 by Mamata Banerjee. The location of the Eco Park is along the major arterial road in Action Area 2 of New Town, 10 km from Calcutta International Airport. The park is surrounded by the Calcutta Museum of Modern Art on the north, the upcoming Central Business District and International Financial Hub on the east, the Kolkata International Convention Center, Hitco Bhavan and Rabindra Tirtha on the south, and exciting human settlement of Jatragachi on the west. It is well connected with the VIP Road and EM bypass. Buses are available from Ultadanga, Baguihati, Kolkata Airport, Salt Lake and Chinglighata. The visiting hour is summer timing, that is 1st March to 31st October, Tuesday to Saturday 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Sunday and holiday 12 noon to 8:30 p.m. Winter timing is 1st November to 28th February is Tuesday to Saturday 12 noon to 7:30 p.m. and Sunday and holiday 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. The park is closed on Monday. Park entry and ticket counter close at 7:30 p.m. Entry charge is Rs 30. Children of 3 years and above full ticket is required.